This video will show you how to remove the intake on the 2017 through 2022 F-250s.
First things first, let's look at the driver's side of our factory tubing. We have two hoses we need to disconnect. We have one up top here that has a hose clamp on it and one that has a quick disconnect. The quick disconnect, you're just going to push up on that gray locking tab to unlock and pull straight off. For the clamp, you'll need a pair of pliers, and you're basically going to pinch the top of it and pull back on the hose. There you go, just like that. Next, we're going to grab a swivel socket, 7mm, on an extension in my impact gun. You can also use a flathead. It's just a little bit of a tight space here. We're going to loosen up the clamp connecting the tubing to the throttle body. Next up, a little bit more to the left from that clamp here is a hose clip. Now that's just connecting the black plastic to the breather line hoses right underneath of it. So grab a panel removal tool. We're going to pry up underneath of this clip where it connects to the plastic tubing, and we're just going to snap it off. Next up, next to your filter, right next to where the fender connects to that filter there are two 8mm bolts holding this guy on. Grab your extension and 8 socket and get those off. All right, once they're loose, go back in there and get them. All right, at this point, pull out the hose tubing from the factory throttle body, lift up on the air box, and you can set the entire unit aside. Next up, let's get these 2 bolts off that hold this bracket on that was attached to the factory airbox. Grab a 10mm socket and get those 2 bolts out. All right, set this aside.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ford trucks, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.